Installation steps of two-way, 6-meter assembly line. When we received the machine, its 3 parts were disconnected. This part is the near end of the oven, which is used to transfer the mold. This is the main body of the oven. At the end of the oven is the cooling system. First, splicing the 3 sections of the machine together. The installation method is as follows. Find the pin of the machine. Pass the bar through the pin and lock it. Lock after crossing. The other side is the same operation. Take out the window rod. Then install the chain. Lock after installing the pin. If you want to adjust the tightness of the chain, you can use these 2 screws to adjust it. Tighten clockwise and loosen counterclockwise. Next, place the sink at the bottom of the oven. Then go to the end of the pipeline for operation. There are connecting lines here. Just connect the lines at both ends. Then fill the water tank with water. This step is very important. This is the cooling fan. The white one is the power supply of the fan, and the black one is the water pump. When using the water pump for the first time, if there is no water to fill the water tank, we need to go to the starter and turn the cooling blade with a screwdriver. This is the blue. There are also 2 screws in it that can be locked. This is the effect after the tank is filled with water. Next, power on the main body. First open the box and turn the cooling blade with a screwdriver. The left is the 0 wire, and the 3 live wires are connected in turn. It also needs to connect the ground wire, which is near the screw angle. Last step, turn on the main switch after power on. This is the power switch and the speed controller. The transmission speed of the oven can be adjusted by the knob. This is the temperature control switch. Open it in turn. This is the display of upper and lower temperatures. The left controls the temperature at the left end, and the right controls the temperature at the right. Press the set key. The relative temperature can be adjusted here. Press the down key. Set the desired temperature. This is converter monitoring. The introduction of two-way pipeline is completed.